Here are the steps you need to walk through if you receive a bogus or an irrelevant review on your Google Business profile. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Once there, in the bottom right, click on Business, and you want to make sure you have the business selected that has the review that you want to report and question with Google. Now, in the middle here on the right, we're going to click on Reviews. That's going to bring up our list of reviews, and we'll just scroll down to this first one here. And you'll notice next to the up and the down thumbs, there's a ... on the right. We're going to click on that. And at the bottom, there is Share Review and Report Review and Cancel. You want to click on Report Review. Now this brings up the report. And from here, you actually have all these different options that you can scroll through: off topic, spam, bullying, harassment, not helpful, personal information, etc. You need to select which one is appropriate to you. We'll just say it's off topic, and then you'll have the option here, submit, and that's it. You've reported it to Google, and hopefully they'll see your point and remove the irrelevant review from your Google Business profile.